Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holder? What's going on this time? Dogecoin coins coin price will decrease now. You can see here minus 1.52%. It's in temporary fails. Don't worry, my friends. Just in only this is fails down for a short time. I'm 100% sure to after this fails they will wake up and take a very huge jump now. Let's see, my friends. In this video, I am going to show you, my friends, to upcoming time the very huge pumps is coming soon or the very huge dump is coming soon. So now this is very important for all holder, but please, this is absolutely just and only for my viewers, my subscriber, to understand better, especially for new holder. But if you are new my channel, kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My holders, the condition is very critical. As you can see here, this time all change occurring, you can see last 1 hour, last 1 day, and last 7 day, all change occurring is completely negative, and the price, as you can see here, my friend, 0.23. so definitely the price will also decreasing. But here is something very good, the market cap is not decreasing. Yes, my brother, as you can see here, the market cap is 30 billion. I think it's really high. I hope the market cap will more increasing. And absolutely, if a market cap is increasing, so definitely after a short time the price will also starting moving upward, the change occurring will also starting moving upward. So therefore I will notify you to don't worry, my brothers. Please, if they will fails down for a short time, so I hope to after a very short time they will again pumps up and get a very good profit. So don't worry, my my holders, my viewers, my subscriber. I hope in upcoming time the very huge profit is coming soon. So please don't miss this chance. After 25 October, my friend, I am 100% sure there is a chance to this coin price will pumps up very high jump, because from there is a chance my friends, they will collaborate with a lot of companies and especially with Amazon. So if they just only collaborate with Amazon, so absolutely, my brothers, their investment, the market cap is more increasing. So therefore, if a more market cap is increasing, so absolutely Dogecoin price will more increasing. So kindly holders, my opinion is for all of you to please hold out, don't starting selling. And yes, remember, my brothers, to wait for the end of month. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care. Don't forget to subscribe channel.